guys, good day. Welcome to another weekly update, episode 82. It's not easy, and this week we are in the week of Christmas. Yeah, happy Christmas to you all. So this video is coming up on. Will be going up on Friday, and I think Christmas is Saturday, right? Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, but I know this is the weeks of Christmas. So how are you guys doing? So this week we have been up to some work at the shop that I'll be showing you guys some mini bag. Not too much things to do, but few stuff we have been up to at the shop, and some bags we'll be showing you. So guys are almost at the end of the in short, almost at the end of what? We are at the end of the year. By next week, which is a new year. Wow. I have no words today. So guys, enough. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, please use this time to subscribe. Like this video if you do enjoying it. After you finish watching, leave in the comment section down below what you think on this week update. Share this video with people you think it might be of help to them. And by the way, our online training is still pretty much available, and our on-site if you are close to where we are, Abuja and the environment. So the online training is available, and I have been saying this that by next year some of our online course will be available for you to buy. It will not be one-on-one again, but if you requested for one-on-one, we are going to make that for you, just like we normally specify for people, because we know some people are already into the business. They just need like more touch for them to be good, and the finishing should be neat. So we've start working on it. So by next year we want to launch that, so it will be available for you to buy, definitely in just few weeks, which is next year. But I will say few months, because probably I don't know yet the launching date. Maybe it's January, February, but I know next year it's available. We're working on it, and some of it are available already. So enough talking. You guys will be watching the clips we have made already, what we have been up to for this week, and you guys can watch and understand, and I will continue the video later on. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. So guys, I'm just trying to make this mini bag, but probably if it turns out where we are going to make more. So I am making the first one now. I didn't show you the beginning, but I just decided to show this part before I assemble them. So this is the side. Is this type of gusset I'm making. Try to achieve it. So probably your AirPod or maybe your charger can enter there, and your earpiece. So let me finish it. Once I finish it, I will let you guys see how it goes, and stay tuned to watch the rest of the activities we'll be having for the week and the one we've done before. Here we have it. I'm done with the, should I say micro? This is extremely micro, because it's only AirPod that can enter here and charger, and maybe your car key or your key. So I put a hook for you to hang it on your bag, or maybe on your belt or any place. So I just finished this. I'm going to use my AirPod to check it later on, and probably I might show you guys. I don't have my AirPod here, it's at home, so when I get it I'm going to show you guys. So probably if people like it, we can start producing something like this. So for the past days we work on this particular bag. We are making tutorial, a class for some of our online students, and we make this particular one. So I was supposed to have shown you guys already. It's just something the same type we have been making in the shop. Yeah, those one with Ankara fabric. So this one is just like a simple one for them to start and begin with. So this is one we make so far. So probably the way the once we continue with the rest of the weekly update, the way it's going, we are going to update you and let you guys know on the updates so far. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next clips once I continue. So you see how small this is compared to what we even call our micro mini before. This is our micro mini. You see how small it is close to it. Very small. Very tiny. And I think, okay, this is just like a size of my palm. I have a big palm, so just size of my palm. But probably I might even try to make a very smaller one. It will be small, but I think wide a little bit for it to be able to carry something. So that's the update so far. We'll continue with the rest of the weekly activities as time goes on. I'll still show you guys what we have in the shop. As you can see, we are trying our best to clear that side. I've not been showing you that side for a while now because I'm still trying to clear everything we have there. So finger crossed, very soon I'm going to clear it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the continued clips. Starting from where we stopped yesterday on the time lapse. Perfect. I feel those yesterday. Or probably, finger crossed, we should finish this today. And these are our baby bags. I'm loving these. This will be for separating very soon. So you can put your AirPod inside, your charger, your car key, and even small cash. And probably we are going to be making another one a little bit bigger than this, that you can put your card inside like this. Now I think you should be able to put your card here. This is a little bit big, followed by this, and this is the smallest among them. So what do you guys think? Well, it's available this month. Next year, definitely it will be available next year. Different color, different design, different prints. Still working on that. Can you see? Now the same size. shall continue from where we stop and show you the outcome of the bag later on. Thank you for watching. It is very precise, straight. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. As you can see, she's even smiling. Lovely. You know, we've reduced the size compared to this one, Abby. What I did then, just one side, you just place it. Once you, this one is very easy to indicate the center. This is where I used to measure it then. But you can use your own tape to measure and know exactly where you use. That's the reason why it's good to have a machine plate with seam allowance on it. So it will be easy for you to indicate what you need to pull off from that. Anything. I have a feeling that this one is going to turn out better than the rest. The one part, hopefully after we turn it, it will stay this way because this one is maintaining the shape. Unlike all this one, after we turn it, they will just bend. Maybe it's because of the interface we use, not that soft. But if this one did not work out, I will try to use another interface that is a little bit more softer than this and see. So right now you continue watching the time lapse for us to finish this, probably fix the chain and any other thing that needs to be fixed on the bag, and I'll be off for now. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the weekly updates. The other day when we make this, we finish it and we have not fixed the hand then, and it's past few days now and we've decided to fix the chain hand, join the hand to the bag. As you can see, this is how it is, and for this particular one inside, you can just bring it out this way. We didn't use zip for this one inside for you to be able to access it quick, so we just use a magnetic snap, you see, and the magnet is a tiny one but very strong, and you can just zip your bag back. So that's what we do for this week. And for talking about what we did this week, we are still working on our baby bags. As you can see, this one is a little bit different, the one we make before. with a rounded hand, and I decide to make another one which is a little bit similar to it. We are still testing it. Probably next year all this will be available for you guys to buy. Don't copy our design, we are still working on it, but probably by the time you guys will be watching this video, we will start producing this, and we have tons in out there to say. And this is, I think this is the first one I make. This is the first one, then followed by, after I make this green, followed by this, then followed by this one and this red one. So they are not the same size, as we are just planning to figure them out. This one is the first one, the shape didn't come out as planned. This one, the second one, it went out well, but the hand is a little bit tilting at the front. Then this one was made by one of the students. There's a little bit mistake there, but it came out well. And this one is the best, but still mistake. You guys won't figure out the mistake if not that I said it and say the mistake exactly the way it is. So that's just your update, guys. So probably next week we'll be seeing you. As for the Christmas, we have some work we need to do for some clients. Probably we'll just do like timelines and show you the outcome of it a little bit. Thank you guys for watching, and I will be ending the video here. For those of you who have not subscribed, use this time to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this particular week updates. Share this video with people who think it might be of help to them, and don't forget our online training is pretty more available. By next year you can buy. So as I said, now the online training, you can buy it individually, maybe how to make a specific and how to make a specific gusset, how to make a specific cover, how to make a specific design. All will be available next year, so you can stay tuned. You can also subscribe to our channel to be updated. Then follow us on Instagram, because some updates will be up there as well, and our Twitter and the Facebook. You can follow us on all the social media. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next week updates. Bye for now.